Pose.
What up, guys? Today we're going to be doing an unboxing on a review on the Apple Tag here. So let's get into this Apple Tag video. Alright, so what comes with the Apple Tag is you get some manuals here. No sticker at all. There's apparently no sticker, just some manuals. Pretty sweet. Then you got it yourself here. You guys can see. Hold on, let that focus. Hold up. Let it focus. Can you guys see? I'm dropping it. I got the Apple Tag here. Let it come on. Got it right here. You guys can see. Take it out of the plastic here. Got the little Apple logo right there. You can see it here. It was $29.99, so $30 basically. Okay, and we just paired it. I guess you can just tap it. We're gonna Bluetooth this as well. I also have one of these as well. That's $20 as well. You guys can see, I'll put it right here for you. It's like a case for it to keep it protected with a screw. You know what I'm saying? With a screw with it, you just slide it right in there like that. And then you put it in there. Then you close it up. Make sure you get it right in the right spot. Then you close it back up. Like that. Then you push it up something like this. You want to make sure you first get it in there. There we go. As you do that, you want to close it up like this. Take your hand the long way. Close it up. Close it up, close it up, close it up. I don't know why I got like that, but still, I'm going to just take my time. Make sure it's all the way in there. We don't want to strip nothing. Hell no. Okay, it's in there like this. You guys can see. This is the Apple Tag here. You guys can see. Now it's time to connect it to our phone. You guys can see it already detected already near my phone. Hit connect. Yep, we're gonna save it for that. Sweet, we're connecting it right now. As you guys can see, it's my Apple Tag connecting. Make sure y'all drop a like. Easy peasy. Make that noise. Oops, it tell me where I'm at too. It tell me where I was at. So it does tell me where I'm at. Sweet. It's just it's tracker, y'all. I love this. Make sure y'all drop a like, subscribe. Let's get it. If I take this anywhere I want to go, guess what? You will know why I went with this. Alright, y'all. I also make noises with it too. Here, it makes noises as well. You guys can choose from your phone here, different options. Want it to make music, or if you really actually want to find this, it'll actually tell you where it's at actually. It'll tell you how far you're moving away from it and stuff like that. It'll say 4 feet away from me. Now if I break close to me, it's nearby the phone. Be moving away. It always knew to detect it, come back. Make sure y'all drop a like. I recommend you go get Apple Tags. Alright, y'all. Peace.